Hi, this is Jason, and today I'm going to show you how to use our video capture template. This template allows you to record a user's video camera, their desktop, and the audio from either their computers or microphone as they're speaking, or whatever sound is coming from the computer itself. So let me get into it. In this template, there are no variables. It's mostly just a file. There's a button for you to press to start the recording, a button to stop the recording, and then a button to download the resulting file. And so what you want to do to use this particular template is just copy the HTML with those buttons into your study, whatever it is that you want to study, even if it's just what people are doing off screen or off on another tab or window, you can record that here. Or if you're doing an experiment and you want to actually see how people are participating in that experiment, whether for eye tracking or just recording people's thought processes, you can do that here. The other thing you want to do is copy and paste this JavaScript file as well to make sure that those buttons do what we say they do. Now, the one thing that you'll want to pay attention to here, the one thing that you'll most likely want to customize is this get stream sources function. And all this does is it tells this experiment and your computer what exactly you want to record. So user stream is the actual computer, the device. So the camera on your device, if you have a camera attached, if you don't have a user doesn't have a camera attached, they could actually attach one. It doesn't have to be built into the hardware. Same thing with audio. Whatever comes to the microphone, whatever microphone that happens to be, will get captured here. So you set this to true if you want to capture the microphone audio, and you set the video to true if you want to capture the camera video. I set this to false for right now because I just am wanting to capture the display. I want to see what people are clicking on. That's what this is, display stream. So I'm going to capture the audio for the display, so any kind of music that happens or sound that happens in the display, I'm going to capture, and I'm going to record the video. The issue you have with video is you can't record two videos in the same place. You only see one feed at a time. So if you wanted to capture both the desktop and the camera at the same time, you'll have to create two separate streams and save them as one. In this case, we have these two separate streams being merged into one. So again, the only thing that you'll have to really do some heavy lifting on is if you wanted to record both sets of video at the same time and have them synced up. It's not too much more work, but it's not natively supported by this. But like I say, all you have to do if you want to just record somebody's camera and microphone is set this to true and true and these to false, false. That's all you have to do. So let me just show you how it works. The demo launch. One thing to know about this is that the video comes out as a WebM file, which is not really that readable by most video players. You have to convert it to to something like an MP3 video or a WAV file. And so that's why we're downloading it here. The idea is that you start the recording and it pops up a request. You can't see this because I'm just recording my particular tab here, but I can record the entire screen. I can record just one window. I can record any kind of anything that's up on my computer actually. So I'm just going to cancel that. I press the stop. Whenever I press the stop button, it'll stop recording. Since I rejected the request to access, it's not going to do it. But then I can click this download button and it would download the WebM file. And then you have participants email you the WebM file, or you could have them upload it to a Dropbox folder if you wanted to keep it anonymous. But that WebM file then you can upload to most any video processing software. There's plenty online that will convert WebM to whatever format you want. It takes all of a minute. It's just something that you can't do in the desktop without taking a lot of time to encode the new video style. So right now it's based on WebM, and then we're expecting researchers to do the translation. All right, thank you so much. If you have any questions, please send us an email at support@volunteerscience.com. Thank you.